behalf of entire Ram Janmabhoomi team, L&T team, I would like to thank Lifting India Safety, Inspire Safety Foundation for delivering such a great award for Ram Janmabhoomi project. Totally, since last 4 years, shall I speak or you are asking any questions? Continue, no? Last 3 years, we are constructing the Sri Ram Janmabhoomi projects. Initially, for the plinth stone installations, 17,000 numbers of granite stone. Each of every 3 ton the weight was successfully installed for the plinth stone. Then near about the 12 lakh CFT pink stone was used for the construction of entire Ram Janmabhoomi project. Out of these, only 1,50,000 CFT was balanced. Then after the temple will be completed. Today we are here, we are receiving the awards. But at the same time, Ram Darbar statue at the first floor of the temple was going to install. At 4:30, the same statue will be placed at the Garbhagriha at first floor. After that, the entire temple will be completed. Last 30th of April, in the Akshaya Tritiya, we installed the 42-meter high Dvajastambha, and on 5th of the
Myself Rajesh, representing Rajesh Crane Services from Pune. I would like to thank you Inspire Safety Foundation for recognizing our work, which will always inspire us for work in safety. Thank you.
So we are from Safety Rise Technical Services. We are expertise into scaffolding services in Pan India. So when we talk about Lifting India Safety Awards, so basically these things are very rare to find in India, right? Nobody recognizing the safety warriors in Pan India. So here we are very fortunate to being nominated and being awarded as a excellence into the scaffolding services, where our efforts and our hard work are being recognized at this platform. So we thank to all the members of Inspire Safety Foundation and Lifting India Safety Awards. So thank you so much.
Okay, so we are Ideal Elevator and Escalators Private Limited from Pune. Last 25 years we have give service to our client across the Maharashtra region and the Goa region. So currently we are focusing on the high-rise and the solar profession, including the car parkings, and we do manufacturing is in Pune and Kolhapur. So currently this year we supported to LISA, and just for the next many years we will support to the LISA in the safety manner. Thank you. Yeah, sure. हमारा लिफ्ट का जैसे भी हमारा लिफ्ट इंस्टॉल होता है, ओके, हमारा एक बार लिफ्ट इंस्टॉलेशन होने के बाद जो भी वहाँ पे रेगुलरली यूज़ करेगा लिफ्ट, या फिर वहाँ पे जो चेयरमैन या सोसाइटीज़ मेंबर रहेंगे या कोई इंडस्ट्रियल गुड्स लिफ्ट रहेगा, तो उनको पूरा एक दिन का ट्रेनिंग दिया जाता है कि इसमें कौन से सेफ्टी पार्ट्स है, किस जगह से आपको सेफ्टी में रिकवर होना है, रेस्क्यू करना है. दिस ऑल दिस मेजर फैक्टर्स वी आर टेलिंग टू द कस्टमर्स.
I came from Ahmedabad, from High-Tech Projects Private Limited. My name is Jaimin Patel, and we are applying very first time for this LISA award from Inspire Safety Foundation. At Ahmedabad, High-Tech Projects Private Limited company, construction company, is working on, our specialty is on high-rise building like 15-story to 32-story. We have completed multiple high-rise building at Ahmedabad from 15-story to 32-story, and we have get CIDC Vishwakarma Award, NSA Award previously, like multiple time. And first time I have applied in this LISA Award, and I am very happy to get this award, and I appreciate Inspire Safety Foundation to manage this type of functions and award celebrations.
Sir, what would you like to say about ISF safety program? The Lisa, you mean Lifting India Safety Awards. Good evening, everybody. I am really thrilled, excited, and delighted to be here to take part in this Lisa Lifting India Safety Awards function 2025 and take this award also. And this is like the way in which it is being organized, planned and organized is like being planned Oscar Awards in cinema and Grammy Awards in music. This is the way in which this is only a season 2. A lot of maturity have been demonstrated in improving the season 1 to season 2. I was part of season 1, September 2023 also, and I am now here for Lisa 2025. What a great improvement, what a great changes, what a great innovations. It's highly being well planned, well executed, meticulously planned, and it's like we can say at our like Filmfare or National Awards function. I would like to congratulate the UNICO Inspire Safety Foundation, Mr. Anupam Shukla and his team members, Mr. Kamdar and of course, and a lot of industry directors are involved in this. And I am happy and proud that Inspiring Safety Foundation members, each and every member, I think they have worked very hard to make this event a very, very grand success. Always Anupam used to tell me, I know him for the last 10 years, more than 10 years. Every time he used to tell me something we have to do different, something we have to do. A lot of awards functions are there.
Varadarajan, Chief Safety Expert from Chennai Metro Rail Limited, Chennai. I am really honored to be part of the Lifting India Safety organized by the Inspiring Safety Foundation. I am grateful to Shukla ji for giving me the opportunity to join this award program. I would like to extend my sincere appreciation to Shukla ji and his team for organizing such an outstanding award program. We already came for the season 1 for the Lifting India Safety Awards. We are coming in the second season also. I would like to come in future award programs also. I would like to appreciate Shukla ji for organizing this award program in future also. Thank you.
Thank you so much. It is a very good initiative taken by Inspire Safety, Inspire Council to promote the HAC culture among the companies in terms of construction, in terms of other activities. And they should inculcate this culture across the company, across the organizations, whether it is a small or big, to have a great HAC policies in India.
Good evening, everyone. So this has been a great experience. We've been into manufacturing of construction equipment since past 15 years now. But we have been listening about safety, we've been hearing about safety, we've been practicing safety measures in all the construction sites. But this is the first time we have seen an organization recognizing these efforts of all our teammates, all our fellow people who have been struggling every day, who have been trying to find new measures of safety for the people working at construction sites and even at the industries. So I think it's a great gesture from Inspire Safety Foundation, and there should be more coming in. Thank you for that.
So it is really an immense pleasure. So we got facilitated by this Safety Foundation, and this is because of the safety. Actually, we are into the vertical logistics, so where safety is the paramount. We never compromise with any out of here and there of safety. So because of that safety, now we are recognized, and we are really thankful to Mr. Suklaji and his foundation. We are honored, and we wish him all the best. And at the same time, we are so proud that, okay, with a small, means a very little span of time, we have achieved a lot.
We are into manufacturing of vertical transportation equipments like passenger hoist, passenger material hoist, and only material hoist as well. Yeah.
The Chennai Metro project, phase 2. We are constructing a elevated metro project from Porur to Kodambakam area. This is basically a elevated project of 1500 crores project, and belongs to 9 stations. So it would be, I will be happy to announce that recently we have achieved 15 million safe man hours. So once again, I would like to congratulate this Lisa Safety Awards organized by Inspire Safety Foundations. So as you know, all our L&T is a multinational companies where there are stringent safety procedures to be followed at the site.
Inspire Safety Foundations and media persons also. So our L&T, we are working at CMRL EC1 project, Larsen and Tupro on heavy civil infrastructure. So our L&T motto is, like a slogan, is the zero harm vision. That is our motto, and our target is per monthly 0.0125 fatality or reportable accident report. Means 100% में 0.0125 our target is. मतलब हमको कोई भी आदमी को किसी को चोट नहीं लगेगा तो वर्कर को हमको लगा ऐसे हम लोग ट्रीट करते हैं L&T में. सो हम लोग मतलब ऐसे L&T कोई वर्कर हमारा स्क्रीनिंग फॉर्मेलिटीज प्रोसीजर में हो गया, जस्ट इज ट्रीटेड लाइक बिकेम द L&T फैमिली मेम्बर्स, ऐसे ट्रीट करता है. सो सर ने दिस ऑल एक्सप्लेन दैट, बट आवर दिस CMR दैट कंस्ट्रक्शन चैलेंजिंग इज द फर्स्ट टाइम इन इंडिया यू आर कंस्ट्रक्टिंग द आइलैंड प्लेटफॉर्म 4 number stations in island platform stations and double deck of 4.5 kilometers, like one level in metro and second level one more corridor metro.
And ICLM is taking great initiative in the lifting safety. They are using digital platform to recognize and identify everything lifting appliances. This is a great initiative by Unico.
My name is Mohammad Mushtaq Ansari. I am from CCC company from Saudi Arabia. I have nominated for the Safety Award, Lisa Award, and this is really a very good award. I have to ensure safety on all of the projects, and not only the spirit in the individual, at the individual level, this is also going to have add value in this. And I trust and I have hope that in India, such kind of activities and initiatives has been taken, and this is going to uplift the safety culture and the safety environment into the country.
I am Ramesh Chandra Kamoti, competent person since 35 years. I am a government registered valuer, ISO consultant, and valuation. This type of this is a very great event which I have participated in so many national, international conferences and many local conferences. But this is of unique type because it is like that. It is arranged in that way, and all the people, those who have helped for this event, it is there is no word to describing that type of cooperation is, and very so many big companies have been called, and very in a cooperative way this work is done.
Today we are here for Golden Hook Award. We are very happy. Our company Steel Fab Scaffolding and Engineering Private Limited got this award. I will request my colleague, my company director, to further say something on this.
Scaffolding is very important for high-rise buildings, and especially the steel scaffolding is a must. Formerly in India there was only bamboo scaffolding, but then due to high-rise structures coming up since about last 20 years, steel scaffolding has come into picture, and we in the company of Steel Fab Scaffolding and Engineering observe highest standards in providing the scaffolding structure. Thank you.
We take very important of safety also, because we know on our scaffolding laborers are going to work and all other agencies are going to work. We have worked for L&T, Raheja, Lodha, all these big agencies. We give on rental also and services also.
Everybody, this is Subhash here. I represent an organization called Runwal Reality, wherein when I joined the organization, the safety system was highly unstructured. So once I joined in, I developed, implemented and streamlined the safety systems. And like all other companies, I too faced the challenge of enforcing the norms. So then I thought of a noble idea of developing a safety reward and recognition program, which brought in some competitiveness, and over a period of time it has helped me to improve the safety compliance to the next level. And by implementing the safety norms, recently in the month of January, our organization, one of our sites got the Shrestha Suraksha Puraskar from National Safety Council of India, and now I am here receiving my next award. I thank the Inspire Safety Foundation for this initiative and recognizing my contribution to the construction safety. Thank you very much.
जळगाव प्रथम सेफ्टीवर जो काही अवॉर्ड फंक्शनचा कार्यक्रम आयोजित केला त्याच्या संदर्भात सांगायचं, सेफ्टीवर कोणीतरी काही चांगलं अवॉर्डचं देण्याचं कार्य करीत आहेत याच्याबद्दलही एक निपुणता आहे. मी इंडस्ट्रियल सेफ्टी डायरेक्टर ऑफ इंडस्ट्रियल सेफ्टी अँड हेल्थ ॲज अ अप्रूव्ड कॉम्पिटंट पर्सन अंडर फॅक्टरीज ॲक्ट लिसाचा खूप आभारी आहे की या फंक्शनकरता त्यांनी आपल्याला बोलवलं आणि मोटिवेशन देण्याचं जे काम लिसा करतं आहे त्याच्याबद्दल मी त्यांचा खूप आभारी आहे. आणि यापुढे त्यांनी असं फंक्शन्स आयोजित करावं जेणेकरून बऱ्याचशा लोकांना मोटिवेशन मिळेल आणि एक चांगलं कार्य त्यांच्याकडनं घडत राहू. सर्वात मोठा आनंद की काही असतं की अवॉर्ड मिळताना भाग्यश्री मॅडमांच्या हातून एक अवॉर्ड मिळालं, तेही एक आपल्या अभिमानास्पद बात आहे. परत एकदा सर्वांचा आभारी आहे.
I am Rama Harish Shahu from Balaji Infratech. I am taking care of safety functions of entire Balaji Group. And we are very much happy and proud moment to say that we have received this award for our safety recognition, and which has been identified by our LISA, India Private LISA, that is Lifting India Safety Award, Inspiration Safety Group. So,
yeah, thank you very much for Lift India Safety Award. We are really fortunate that we have come and we have received this award. This is something which we are always embarking as a corporate of Dalmia Cement. We wanted to excel in all our safety initiative, and this award we got it by lifting a single piece, 220-ton single piece of a structure which is clinker dome, without having to avoid the working at height issues. And I am really hopeful that next year also we will come and we will again showcase our this year's performance through LISA Award.
And all, thank you Inspire Safety Foundation for hosting this award ceremony. On behalf of Dalmia Cement, we, with the true vision of our great leaders, you have heard Mr. Sabarwal sir and Anparam Agrawal sir, who has been nominated and awarded as a Inspiration Safety Leader Award, and with the two great projects which we executed very recently. I am very much thankful to Inspire India Safety Award for this LISA Season 2 2025 for motivating us, our efforts, our dedication, our practices and our commitment to brought up so that we can inspire others. On behalf of Dalmia Cement management, we are thankful to them that they have invited us and awarded us in this manner so that we can motivate and work more stronger in this field. Thank you.
Good evening from Ashi Solutions Private Limited. Thank you very much, LISA and Inspire Safety Foundation for organizing such a beautiful event. It was excellent presentation, award ceremony, I came across, and I am very happy that we have bagged this Golden Hook Award. This is nothing but our entire safety team and our project team contribution which leads to this present. Once again, I am thanking to our director, Mr. Prithviraj Solanki, who imbibed that culture in the organization, and he is harping on the safety from the day one, and he always take initiative, whatever additional or innovative actions can be taken in safety departments, he is always ready. So thank you for him, and due to which efforts we have bagged these awards. Thank you very much. I am very happy and proud to receive the Lifting India Safety Award from the Inspire Safety Foundation. This is a big moment for achievement Malpani Group. Thank you.
And we have bagged this award of Golden Hook Award from Inspire Safety. This is very inspirational, and I am taking this pride on behalf of the entire team to bag this award, and we will keep on doing the good work. And this initiative from Inspire Safety is very good. This inspires people to do more and more safety, take more and more safety initiatives, and do good in the industry. We are representing the industry, and we should do so much of good where safety is concerned. Thank you.
Thank you. Myself, Pankaj Kumar. I am the Chief HSE Manager from Mumbai Metro Line 5 Afcons Infrastructure Limited. I would like to inform all of you, we are erected in 1435 total segments in Mumbai Metro Line 5, and 2 steel girder segments of 57 meter and 46 meters, and 65 meter of the steel bridge also in the Anjur Fata station in our LI.
आज का अवार्ड फंक्शन ये है हमारा सीज़न 2, लीसा अवार्ड का सीज़न 2 है. लास्ट ईयर हमने ग्रैंड सक्सेस देखा है इसका, एंड वी आर वेरी हैप्पी टू फेलिसिटेट ऑल द पीपल इन द कंस्ट्रक्शन फ्रेटर्निटी जिन्होंने ये सेफ्टी पर्पस को सुपर डुपर हिट किया है. वी आर वेरी हैप्पी टू वेलकम ऑल द अवार्डीज एंड नॉमिनीज ओवर हियर. साल बेहतर और बेहतर और बेहतर करने का प्रोत्साहन हर एक को यहाँ पे मिलता है. थैंक यू एवरीवन, थैंक यू ऑल. हर साल सेफ्टी स्टैंडर्ड्स को इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर लेके जाना है, और उनकी टीम यहाँ पे सीखने आनी चाहिए कि सेफ्टी कैसे मेंटेन होती है हमारे इंडिया में. नॉट इवन वन लाइफ, नॉट अ सिंगल एक्सीडेंट शुड बी मेट ओवर हियर इन इंडिया. थैंक यू. भाग्यश्री जी ने बहुत ही सारे अनसेड हिडन कार्य किए हैं जो सेफ्टी पर्पस को आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं. शी वॉज ओवरवेल्म्ड, और उनके लिए ये फर्स्ट टाइम था ये जानना कि लीसा सेफ्टी अवार्ड जैसा भी अवार्ड सेरेमनी होता है जो सेफ्टी को कंसर्न में है. ऐसा अवार्ड कभी भी कहीं पे भी नहीं हुआ है. दिस इज़ आवर फर्स्ट इनिशिएटिव. वी आर द फर्स्ट वंस टू ब्रिंग दिस इनिशिएटिव ओवर हियर. थैंक यू.
आज का अवार्ड फंक्शन लिफ्टिंग इंडिया सेफ्टी अवार्ड था. ये हमारे इंडिया में सेफ्टी कल्चर को बढ़ाने के लिए जो भी कंस्ट्रक्शन साइट है वहाँ पे फैमिली लॉस या मैन पावर का लॉस ना हो, इसलिए हम उसके लिए काम करते हैं. एंड आई एम वेरी प्राउड टू सी माई फैमिली इन लीजा सीजन 2.
DB Mishra, retired superintending engineer of MSCB. I am a good friend of my Anupam Shukla. This award was very good. This event has been conducted very nicely. Only one advice is that it should be started not only for the safety of working people and environment, but also for the design also. Because safety starts from design aspects, and it has to be implemented, initiated at the design level. Secondly, another advice is that Golden Hook Award should be given only for one company, not for many companies.
We are from L&T, and we are happy to receive this LISA 2025. Everybody is having that trust. When the person used to go out from office or else home, the person should be come back to home. The workplace should be safe, and we are hoping L&T should be L&T will ensure that workplace should be safe and the person should come back to the home and coming back to the office, and we are very happy to receive this award. Thank you. Within 2 years of experience, and we are working in that bullet train project. Hope that will complete successfully without any loss. I mean any person loss and all. Thank you.
नहीं, एक्चुअली रिस्पांस बहुत अच्छा मिला। आप क्राउड देख के आपको समझ में आ रहा होगा कि कितने लोग आए हैं, इतने बड़े बड़े प्रोजेक्ट से लोग आए हैं। और सबसे बड़ी बात यह है कि जिन लोगों ने काम किया है, बहुत अच्छा जो काम किया है, उनको अवार्ड मिला है उनके अच्छे काम के लिए। तो ये इंडस्ट्री के लिए ये बहुत ज़रूरी है ये अवार्ड को स्टार्ट करना। और हमने 2nd सीज़न किया है एंड वी आर लुकिंग फॉर मोर सीजन्स टू अप।
द एसोसिएट डायरेक्टर विद दिस कंपनी, जैसा कि आप लोग जानते हैं कि हम लोग सेफ्टी के बारे में एक बहुत नॉर्मल चीज़ है कि हमको सेफ्टी बचपन से सिखाई जाती है। सेफ्टी एक ऐसी चीज़ है कि जो हमको बचपन से सिखाई जाती है, माँ बाप से ही मिली है। जब हम इतने छोटे थे, बेटा यहाँ मत चढ़ो, ऐसे मत करो, वैसे मत करो, आग से मत खेलो, पानी में मत जाओ, दिस इज़ द सेफ्टी। और वही हम अभी आप लोग को जैसे बड़े लोगों को सिखाते हैं, ये कंपनी में प्रैक्टिकली क्या रहना चाहिए, कैसे करना चाहिए, ये हमारी सेफ्टी को रखते हुए और समाज को कैसे सेफ करना है, क्योंकि इंडस्ट्री में सबसे ज़्यादा लॉस होता है इसकी वजह से। इसलिए सेफ्टी के ऊपर हमारी कंपनी इंस्पायर सेफ्टी फाउंडेशन के जो को फाउंडर है और फाउंडर हैं, एक तरह से मैं उनका फाउंडर हूँ, मैं उनका सीनियर हूँ। तो आप समझ सकते कि एज ए बिग ब्रदर मैं उनका काम किया हूँ या उनके साथ में हूँ अभी। तो आई एम द रिटायर्ड गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर वर्किंग विथ इंस्पायर सेफ्टी फाउंडेशन एंड यूनिको।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ। वो ये अपना टेक्निकल सेफ्टी का सब टेक्निकल काम करते हुए वो लोगों ने, इंस्पायर सेफ्टी फाउंडेशन ने एक सोशल अवेयरनेस भी अपना याद रखा है और उसलिए हमको उन्होंने बुलाया था यहाँ। हमारी जीवदानी मतिमंद स्कूल बोल के विरार में जो बच्चे का ब्रेन डेवलप होते नहीं है, स्पेशल चाइल्ड रहते, वो उनकी हमारी स्कूल है। जो बच्चों सबसे उपेक्षित बच्चे हैं, यानी जिसको माँ बाप को भी लगता है कि ये कहाँ से है हमारे घर में, तो ऐसे बच्चों की हम स्कूल चलाते हैं। हमारे पास 58 बच्चे हैं अभी, हम स्कूल चलाते बच्चों की। तो उसमें हम ये सोचते कि जो माँ बाप जिससे कुछ कर नहीं सकते, तो हमारे टीचर 10 से 4:30 बजे तक लोग कैसा संभालते। एक कभी अगर आप लोग एक बार आके हमारे स्कूल में देखोगे तो पता चलेगा कि वो बच्चों को सिखाना कितना मुश्किल है।
And henceforth also we'll conducting the different awards. Thank you.
Thank you to all my media partners for promoting this event. Secondly, the participants and candidates, those who came from all across India, from multiple projects, so they deserve a big applause for making this event grand success. On behalf of entire Inspire Safety Foundation team, I congratulate everybody, those who witnessed this program, and I look forward for hosting them again in future in our bigger event. And the best part that the media supported very well, the event started well, the host, the event management, everything was very nice, and I look forward for hosting my guests again for next big program.
दोनों हमारे, और मैंने ही शुरुआत में इनको आशीर्वाद दिया है, तो भगवान की दया से 0 से यहाँ तक पहुँच गए हैं, और ये सबसे बड़ी खुशी है मेरे के लिए। और मैं पुणे से आई हूँ।
Good afternoon everyone. I am Mrs. Vaibhavi Anand Gore from Nasik, and he is Mr. Anand Devidas Gore from Nasik. It is a privilege to be here, and the program is it was very well organized and very inspiring, truly inspiring. So I would like to thank everyone present here and the organizers. Thank you so much.
आपण जसं ऐकलं, सेफ्टी ही महत्त्वाची असते आणि इथे ज्या कंपन्यांना अवॉर्ड मिळाले त्या कंपन्यांप्रमाणे सर्व कंपन्यांनी सेफ्टी पाळून आपल्या कंपनीला आणि आपल्या सर्व कामगारांना स्वस्थ ठेवावं, सुरक्षित ठेवावं, या गोष्टीची माहिती मिळाली. त्याबद्दल धन्यवाद. थँक्यू.